The fire is dead, the coals are low, the hammer's silent, time to go. My hands are black, my arms are sore, but I'll be back at dawn once more. I forged a blade for a lord today, he'll lose it in some foolish fray. But coin is coin, and ale is ale, and both are worth the proper tale. So fill it high, and drink it fast. The day is gone, the die is cast. Raise your mug, blacksmith, drink it down. Let the sparks fall off your crown. Steel by day and song by night, we live between the dark and light. Hey, drink, hey, drink, hey. Hey, drink, hey, drink, hey. I've burnt my beard, I've crushed my thumb, I've cursed the blade, I've yet to come. But still I stand and still I grin. For every loss I drink again. To the ones who never paid on time, to the ones who never paid. Raise your mug, blacksmith, drink it down. Let the whole damn hall resound. Steel by day and scars to show. Drink to the work and let it